25th of May 2018. Our life has changed. Every enterprise and organization is required to comply with the new European GDPR regulation. B Group SA Development Department has created a huge innovation: eComplianceGDPR. eComplianceGDPR is an application that supports businesses and organizations or GDPR compliance consultants and assists DPOs to complete their task in an easy way. Using eComplianceGDPR can diminish the difficulty of GDPR compliance, maintenance, and monitoring the compliance for an enterprise or an organization. eComplianceGDPR supports and simplifies the GDPR compliance process. It records and analyzes the processing procedures in an easy way. It exports the data flow diagrams. It exports the reports concerning the level of compliance in total, but also for every data process separately. It exports the gap analysis as well as the impact assessment. It completes the risk evaluation in 4 sectors, exports an automated risk assessment report concerning data processing safety, exports any suggested organizational and technical measures, suitable for each business or organization depending on the risk level. It estimates whether there is a need to perform a data protection impact assessment, DPIA. It includes a fully equipped library with samples of e-compliance means. For example, policies, operational procedures, consent clauses, security plans, disaster continuity plans, personal data breach reports, all those that can be useful to everyone. A business or organization should know the kind of personal data it collects, for what purpose, where it stores them, how it keeps them safe, and where it transfers them to. eComplianceGDPR exports the record of processing activities according to Article 30 of the regulation. It exports risk analysis per procedure. It gives the ability to archive and incorporate the compliance data in order to have them easily accessible for accountability purposes. It provides the ability of multiple users with different role per user, so that the GDPR compliance can be done quickly and its maintenance can be efficient. The challenge with GDPR compliance is that the business or organization should be able to respond to the exercise of the rights of the subjects or clients or employees or suppliers, so that they can have the right to respond, modify, or delete their personal data. eComplianceGDPR maps and locates personal data by subject category in the event of a request for modification, deletion, or the right to be forgotten. It maps and locates personal data by personal data category and per employee, and defines where their personal data are transferred. We are proud of ourselves because we have developed a specialized application that simplifies the GDPR compliance procedure for every organization and every enterprise. We have developed a loyal friend and partner for every processor and every DPO. Give it a try.